Hi guys, John here with Sandblastingmachines.com with another item off the shelf. Today I want to talk to you about the Clemco TMP-5 nozzle. The Clemco TMP-5 nozzle is a 5/16 inch orifice, 1 inch entry, contractor thread nozzle with a durable rubber jacket. The Clemco TMP-5 nozzle is lined with tungsten carbide, giving it approximately 300 hours of blasting time. This nozzle can be held anywhere from 18 to 24 inches for hard to clean surfaces and 30 to 36 inches for softer surfaces or loose paint. The Clemco TMP-5 nozzle can be found on Sandblastingmachines.com simply by searching for part number 23521 in the search bar. And for Sandblastingmachines.com, I'm John, and thanks for watching.